Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, integrated campus, Hyderabad. Estimation, quantity, surveying, and valuation. I'm Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In previous videos, I explained about long wall, short wall methods. Example of single room. I explained one more same problem in this class. See, if you understand this concept, no doubt 50% of your this unit is over. That may be 2 rooms or 3 rooms, but concept is important. I'm trying to giving you this concept. Here, I am trying to explain clearly. Here, see, observe carefully, listen. See, first of all, here we will do, you know, what is the basic principle, basic concept of long wall, short wall method or separate wall method. We have to find center to center length of your room, center to center length of your long wall. Here, in this figure, room size is 5.0 meters into 4.0 meters. So there are 2 long walls and 2 short walls. This is one long wall. See, this is long wall, right? Say here, this is short wall, right? This is short wall. You understand? See, whatever the width is less, that is short wall. Long wall means which is more length, your long wall. This by seeing figure, you can imagine. There are 2 long walls, short walls. First one is long wall quantities we have to calculate. How to calculate? See, if you understand this concept, next problems are very easy. How to tabulate, I will explain you in a clear way. See, here in long wall, here, first one is the basic concept principle of long wall method. In problem, you have to calculate center to center length of long wall. See here, clear length given 5.3 meters. Here, from center to center, we have to calculate. How to calculate? What is basic principle of your long length, center to center? How to find center length of your long wall? Clear dimension, that is clear length plus half of width of this wall, half of width of this wall. See, half of width of this wall, half of width of this wall, right? Plus half of width of this wall, right? So this is 5, you know, this is 5, and here 0.3 by 2, 0.3 by 2. See, now if you see here, long wall length, first step we have to do is, we have to calculate long wall length center to center, that is 5 meters plus 0.3 by 2 meters one side, 0.3 by 2 meters one side. That is, you got center to center length long wall is 5.3 meters, right? This is long wall length. And next one is, here in this problem, you have only plan and section 1 room, only here first footing, second footing, third footing, and directly wall. To understand basic concept, you don't have excavation and you don't have PCC bed. See, once you understand this concept, you can do all other items of the structure. Okay, whatever may be the dimension, okay, according to whatever may be the depth of your section plan, whatever may be the dimensions of your plan, how many rooms. If you understand, first one is you calculated long wall length, center to center length. Now we will calculate from the bottom always. First one is excavation. Of course, here there is no excavation item. And next, second one is PCC item. PCC bit under your foundation is also not there. And here you have first footing, this first footing, right? See here, this is a first footing. How to calculate this first footing quantity? How to calculate this first footing quantity? So first footing long wall length out to out we have to calculate. For that, center to center length. Here, what is the center to center length here? What is center to center length? Clear 5 meters plus half of width, that is 0.3 by 2, 0.3 by 2. Okay. Here 5 meters, 0.3. So here 0.3. Okay. So 5 center to center length is 5.3 meters. That's already calculated. This first step. Second step is first footing long wall length out to out. That means, suppose for example, here I will explain. So what is foundation of this? If you see from plan, this is your plan first footing. Okay. If you see, observe, this is wall. See, if you see, you leave all other things. First footing, if you see plan is like this. For this plan, out to out, how to calculate center to center, 5.3. What is the value of center to center? Here, 5.3 meters. Okay, this is calculated. How calculated? Clear dimension 5 meters plus half of this width, half of this width. So these walls. So you got 5.3 meters. Okay, 5.3 meters. And what is the width of your first footing? See, observe carefully. What is your width of first footing? Here you have 0.9 meters. So 0.9 here, from here to here, how much? 0.9 by 2. That you have to add here. That is 0.92 meters by 2 one side, and other side also 0.92 meters. Here, if you observe here, 0.92 meters. So total value you will get here 6.2 meters out to out. This is, if you see from the plan top, assume from your observing this from the top, what is the total length of your first footing, right? This is, say, first footing. First footing here, if you see first footing, the out to out length, how much here? See here, how much? 5.3 plus 0.9 by 2, 0.9 by 2. Here you will get, how much? 6.2 meters, right? 6.2, say we have to always is 6.2 meters. So in this way we have to calculate this out of the first footing. See, if you go for second footing, it is the width is less than your first footing. How much? 0.3 meters. So you see this, if you observe this plan, okay, from the plan. See, I will clear these dimensions. I will show you. See, here, if you see This is say first footing already calculated. Okay, this is over, you understand. Now coming to your second footing, if you see plan, it will be less than your first footing, right? Your first footing, the plan may be like this. If you see first footing, see clear, it is less with both sides, right? Both long or short direction, longitudinal or transverse directions, the width is less. This is how much? This is 0.6 meters. 0.6 meters. Now, second footing long wall is equal to 5.3 meters here, 3 here, here, see 3 meters, here 3 meters, plus 0.6 by 2 meters, 0.625 meters. Here the value is here 0.59 meter. So here, what is the value of your second footing from year to year? Okay, from year to year, right? This is first footing, right? Now, if you see second footing, see in second footing, this is value is how much? 5.3 plus half of your first footing 0.6 by 2 meters and 0.6 by 2 meters. That is 5.3 plus 0.3 plus 0.3. So you will get 5.9 meters. So it is less than first footing. So here in first footing, the value is how much? Here, first footing, here, first footing here, you have how much? 6.2 meters. Now coming to your second footing, right? How much here? 5.90 meters. See, it is less than your first footing. As you are coming to superstructure, the long wall decreases from 0.6 to 5.9. Similarly, if you will go for third footing, right? This is 5 meters. Here, for third footing, same principle apply 5.3 meters. Right? See here 5.3 meters and half of width one side and half of width one side, that is 5.8 meters. So third footing is again 5.8 meters and long wall, this long wall, okay? This long wall we have to calculate. This is how much height? 3.5 meters. See 3.5 meters, we have to calculate length, width is 0.3 meters. So long wall is 5.3 meters by plus 0.3 by 2, 0.3 by 2, 5.6 meters out of your long wall, that is 5.6 meters. Here one important point is, very important point is here. You observe this one carefully, and this is length of long wall usually decreases from earthwork to brick wall, year to year top. What will happen? This will decreases. This is one of the important bit question for you. In long wall calculations, the long value out decreases from earthwork to here. Okay, earthwork to here decreases. Okay, here decreases. As you go up, the values out will decrease. This is the one of the very important point. You remember this short bit question for your mid examinations, objective type or your competitive examination. We'll see some more important points in next class. Thank you.